that the soul like a bird lives in. When the cage is old or broken, the bird can fly off in the wind.
Free, flying free.
Would the bird flying free at last return to the cage that is cold? No, she'd forget those bonds with the freedom to soar and ascend to glories unknown. Don't you know the bird in the cage must be fed? The food of the soul is love. Prayer and service will strengthen its wings, draw it closer to the essence above.
Free, flying free.
Would the bird flying free at last return to the cage that is cold? No, she'd forget those bonds with the freedom to soar and ascend to glories unknown. Free to fly up in the wind. Free to fly up in the wind. We may be entrapped after being pursued, beaten, imprisoned in a cell, but the real enemy is much nearer than we think, for the greatest prison is self.
Free, flying free.
Tasting or the sweetest of fruit, but there's mercy, we're embraced, we've come home.
Free, flying free.
With the bird flying free at last return to the cage that is cold. No, she'd forget those bonds with the freedom to soar and ascend to glories unknown. Free to fly up in the wind. Free to fly up in the wind. Free to fly up in the wind. Free to fly up in